What's up guys? So today I want to share with you my content creation strategy. The goal for today is to create as many videos as I can about product, which is a funnel builder, because right now we are helping businesses to get more leads for their businesses, and we're going to do that by creating content and showing those businesses how to, like, for example, create a sales funnel, and then how to drive traffic to that sales funnel using YouTube, guys. It's Sunday right now. I'm going to the gym. This is going to be like a video blog. I want to share with you and show with you all the things that I do as an affiliate marketer, guys. Let me show you. This is El Salvador, guys. El Salvador. Okay, that's the gym, guys, and let's go to hit some weights. I'm going to work like 1 hour, guys, and I like to do as well calisthenics. So right now I'm going to do some exercise, guys, but I want to show you this view. Check this out. That's El Salvador's volcano, El Boquerón. It's time to work out. So, exercise done, and I'm gonna take a shower and ready to start creating content, guys. Let me show you the content creation strategy that I'm going to do for the next days. I'm going to promote this product. Check this out. This is the product funnelfreedom.io. This is like an all-in-one software to build funnels. They have a 14-day free trial. Businesses can use this to build their funnels. They can create courses, membership. They can do customer management, email marketing, Facebook Messenger, SMS, text messaging, and all this stuff, calendar booking, all these things. Funnel Freedom can replace all these tools. Check this out: email marketing, SMS marketing, unlimited sales funnel. So these are the softwares. So these are the monthly fees. And if I scroll down, check this out. So the cost of Funnel Freedom is $97 per month. As an affiliate, we can earn 40% commission. Okay, how I'm going to promote this tool? Check this out. In this Excel, I have all the information to download the sales funnels for these businesses. For example, let's say that I want to import the sales funnel of a dog training businesses. The only thing that I need to do is that I need to copy this snapshot ID, go to a website on funnelfreedom.io and imported this funnel into my account. And having that information, I can create a video on my YouTube channel and talk about how to get leads for a dog training business. And as you can see in the screen, I already started on my YouTube channel. Check this out. Get more customers for your basement waterproofing business. Get how to get leads for your acupuncture business. And in the description of the YouTube video, I have here my affiliate link for this product, Funnel Freedom. Strategy is to create as many videos as I can by utilizing these keywords. For example, I can create a video about how to get customers for, let's say, a carpet cleaner business, how to get clients for a computer repair service business, how to get leads for a concrete service business. As you can see, guys, promoting products on a YouTube channel requires hard work and persistence. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and let's get back to work. Talk to you soon. Bye.